The face is our soul. It's our window to the world. And I like a challenge. I like challenging operations, and I'm very detail oriented. And I really like seeing the effect on someone's face when a beautiful face or neck lift is performed. And the operations are challenging. They're very technically challenging as well. But there's truly no better feeling than having a beautiful facelift result, a beautiful neck lift result, and seeing that vibrance and energy come back to a person after so many years. We hear it all the time. Plastic surgery is very much like art. What you might think is beautiful may be very different than what I think is beautiful. But I think that's why conversations prior to surgery are very important. I love a natural elegance to face and neck rejuvenation, a defined jawline, a well-defined neckline, and a very natural looking facelift in the mid-face. With regard to facelifts, there's a little bit of puffiness and swelling that can last for several weeks. I tell them, just be patient. And inevitably, we're all smiling at the end of several months.